fiberglass pool, 13 by 15 by 5.5 deep. My Pentair Challenger that came with it has gone out and we're getting ready to sell the house. What is a good pump replacement that won't break the bank?
Well, first off, the only right way of doing this is to replace it with a variable speed pump, because as the laws move forward, all states are going to require that. I don't know if every state has officially requires it at this point, but if not, soon. So to do it, the right way would be to use a smaller variable speed pump. In terms of what brand to use, my suggestion is always to stay with the big three. Stay with Pentair, Hayward, or Jandy as a pump goes. If you can't get a variable speed pump, ideally at least you do a 2-speed pump. That will pass code in the future. But otherwise, you may just have to replace it with, at this point, with whatever you can get, because not all pumps are available anymore. And maybe I should have started with that answer. You should probably replace it with anything that you possibly can get, because likely you won't be able to get anything.